Hello everyone, my name is Kelvin Ng, and in this video, this is the second part of the video I shown in 110. So in this video 200 and not 2 but 111, I'm going to talk about the part 2 where we're going to use the conditional formatting to do the tracking. So let's get into this. In the last video, we talked about the formula that we use here called the e-date, and we write the if logic to find out whether the particular contract has an expired or not. So in this video, in what I'm going to do now is I'm going to highlight this whole range and I say, let's check it out. Which of this contract, which is still valid and is ready for negotiation. So let's go into the new rule. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a formula to write the rule. So here I'm going to put here equals to, now I have two conditions here which I need to make sure I do it correctly. Which number one, I need to make sure that the status is still valid. Right, so I have to, now I'm in A3, so I will check if this F3, and I'm going to log only the F, is equals to valid. Right, valid. And the second condition here is whether or not the date that we have here in this contract renewal. So I'm going to point at this date here. I'm going to log only the E. If it is it equals to or greater than or equal to whatever that is in E1. E1 is the today's date, assuming today is the 14th of September. So what are you going to do if this two condition is correct? So I'm going to go to the format. I'm just going to make it bold, right? The text is going to be black, but I'm going to make the cell a bit orangey, right? That means maybe not orangey, green color, this green. So which means it's ready for negotiation. There you go. Okay, there you go. This is the one. So today, 14th of September 2013, this is 14th of September, so it's ready for valid, valid, not expired, but valid. Now, on the other hand, I would also want to know which contract has already expired but have not been renewed. So again, I'm going to do the same using formula. So I'm going to put here equals to, the first thing I want to find out is whether the sorry, let me just put an A and D because I have two functions that I need to, two tests that I need to make. Here, I'm going to put up the test. So whether or not this is equals to expired. So if it is already expired and the renewal here is equals to, this date here is equals to no. So expired and no, then I will make this as a warning. I'm going to make it red color and I'm going to make the font light yellow with bold. Okay, that's it, right? So this is how it's going to look like. So when I hit OK, there you go. This is expired, but it's not renewed. So we need to check whether or not there is any contract that is already expired but has not been renewed. Then the other one is whether the contract is ready for negotiation. It's going to expire in the next 2 months. So we'll put a validity here, valid, and then this is already after today, right? So if it's ready to do that, then we know that we are supposed to start the negotiation of the contract. So don't you think you have this automation that will help you a lot in looking at your contract, whether they are expired or not, right? So I hope you like this video. Please remember, put up a thumbs up, like, and also share it with all the people that you think they need this kind of solution. So I will see you in my next video, and hope you will continue to support me. If you have yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do so. Thank you so much, and I will see you really soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.